My name is Brett. I'm a lawyer. I don't even know how to describe it. It was really old. It sort of didn't match up with the character of the house, which is an older Spanish style home. Really ugly tile and flooring, really old vanities, old medicine cabinets, things that just didn't fit with kind of how we see the house. We started the search for a remodeling company on Yelp. Structura stood out from the other options because it had really good reviews. We saw some pictures of remodels that they had done that we really liked. What made us happiest about working with Structura was how the project turned out. Working with Structura was easy, and the whole project started with the design team and working with them with some pictures and inspiration that we sent from Pinterest, and them, the design teams, bringing those inspirations to life in our bathroom, and then working with Kobe and the team on how we were going to build and create that bathroom and make it look the way that we wanted. I would recommend Structura because I think they have a great team. I think they're responsive. I think they do great work, and I love how the bathroom turned out.